One of who he let me got you lot him, Lennon.
Alright. Rather, I feel like I could go. Alright. So,
Yeah, I couldn't care. I want to say something. You know, we're going to pain.
you better my bird. Oh, could be on a go, right? Oh, yeah, we can snap.
Most of them, we part of the.
I can't stop if I get home. I get a car on the no problem.
I won't get a lie, yeah. But can I come on you? Why, yeah.
Oh, my God, yeah.
Oh, my God. So, okay, Lala, huh?
Enter your email address and phone number. Click continue. In the next step, enter your desired username and password. After this, you will be required to connect your withdrawal account after which you can now log into your dashboard.
Có phải không làm đây?
Yeah, bro. See? 35 now. Strong. Nga ko ka jenne. Ara ifo nya naka. Enya.
Oye,
Phone yo di yo naka.
không phải nhà không?
Uga yendo I drop ni digo eche meta. Chemeta na ko Monday. Ma ko ihe ka jenne ko ara ga no phone ko yo ya.
Ok. Bot thì chúng ta bot thì mà.
Bot nya.
Bot thì cũng cái gì bot cái cũng phải rồi. Không đâu.
Một cái làm việc nó là cái gì?
You can put it this.
Yo to ka ki ko change re. O shandy.
Eh?
Who white man put again?
Enggak titi yang kau mochi.
Na na boy na create that account. Alayi.
Okay, I was you. Good.
Referral code. To withdraw your earnings from HH Tradings, click on Withdraw. Select Better Payment Gateway.
Ada kau apa? Ito level eh.
Life ni yang ni be ya. You life on 1 hour or like 1 hour man.
Kau video lah mau. YouTube pun. Anjani lagi ni jano. YouTube video go go viral. Come on to live and stingy for life for there, no be charge. Don't worry. I'm going for this sound very soon. I'm tired to come again.พี่ข้าไหนกูก็เลยเป็นvideoแล้วก็สิ่งที่เราไม่ได้ดูใครบูเดอร์กูเลยvideoนี้อ่ะอะไรกูเนี่ย